Welcome back to Anointed to Bling, everyone. It's Rain here again with another installment to my wedding vlog series. I am so excited about these mirror tile vases. Now, you all know me. If I get on a tangent, I stay on that tangent until I exhaust the possibilities. But when I saw this at Salvation Army for $7, I knew I had to have it. I knew it would fit right in with some of the designs that I have already done. I showed you another tutorial of the complimentary vases, and I want to show you how I turn this into this absolutely stunning mirror tile vase. Here it is against the other one that I already did, which I did a tutorial for. Again, I'll link this back. But again, the purpose here was to make complimentary vases to some ceremony vases that I have. And I absolutely love how this came out. If you want to find out how I did it, stay tuned. So this won't be a full tutorial because I'm going to link this back to the other vase that I already did, so you'll know exactly what steps I took and how the materials work. But I did want to give you a couple of the steps just to show you what I did really quickly. I really like how this came out. I used the Satin Ivory spray paint that I got from my local Walmart for about $3.89, and I really like the richness of this particular cream. It matches the original vases very, very nicely. Now, I did have a lot of ideas swirling around in my head for this one, but I actually decided to take those 5mm mirror tiles and sort of stripe the front and the side and just embellish the neck of it. I decided on keeping it simple because, again, the goal for these particular vases is for them to be complementary and not so far over the top that they take away from the two main ones for the ceremony that I already have. But I really, really like the pattern on this one. Again, you can do whatever you want. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I did here with those mirror tiles. So by way of embellishment, I took these silver flowers that I had in a big roll of wrap that I got from Amazon. You can find that also at your local flea market if you have a good one near you, but I know Amazon does carry those. And I embellished the center of those flowers with the pearls that I got from Hobby Lobby that I showed you in the last tutorial. So it's really great when Paper Craft Studio has that 50% off. Now, I didn't want to go too over the top. I decided on every other side of this particular vase, but the possibilities are always endless. I had about 1,000 ideas swarming in my head for this one before I settled on keeping it simple. The goal was not to be too over the top, but to be complementary to the original vase that you see here. So I wanted to show you this again, just so you get a picture of how they will sort of all flow together. This is the most over the top one that I had. I don't want to do more than this. So all of the other vases, which are going to simply kind of embellish around these vases and around the altar, are supposed to be fairly simple, but still stunning and still decorative enough to look like they are a part of a matching family. I really like how the two of these look together. Again, you could do so many different things with this. This is just the way that I decided to decorate these and match them up. It was so awesome to find this $7 find at the local Salvation Army. I'm telling you, your thrift stores are a godsend. I absolutely love thrift shopping. I didn't always. I used to be embarrassed, but when I really got into my crafting and into just my sort of event planning business, I found a whole new passion for it, and I'm so, so glad I did. I really like this. I'll link this back to the actual tutorial for the taller vase that you see in the picture. I do have some other ones to do that I'll be sharing with you. I hope you like this. Comment, like, subscribe, and until next project, remember you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Have a good one, everybody.